Well, hello there, YouTube. Welcome to the beautiful chirping birds of the 18th of April, spring of 2018. This nice weather come and dry out enough we can tackle the jungle lawn we got going on out here. Can't wait to get that done. So we're driving out of here. Look up and about scares the holy heck out of me. That's Madison, that's not Abby.
What are you doing, Goofy?
Oh my God. There's a cat out there, a big one. Madison, what are you doing out there, mutt?
Or a small bear.
Yeah, that looks pretty creepy. That's pretty cool.
You better go with the
I'm watching them. See all the deer out here? There was 4 of them in the middle of the road. I couldn't get the camera going. Dadgum, that makes me mad. You fumble around, you think you hit record, you didn't hit record. Getting them boat trailers all stacked up and in here.
Oh yeah.
The boats are gonna, personal watercraft will start flying here in a moment. Mama, I gotta begin my crazy big service down there.
Alrighty.
And get that done so
I'll see you at the water.
Bruce can get his Spyder back and go for his rides. All right. Yeah. Saying it at the same time. All right, love you, see you, bye.
Love you, see you, bye.
All right, see you. Have a good day.
You too.
Me and this old Spyder, we're gonna do some bonding over the next couple days. I'll bop on and off and show you the different stages. You'll be shocked how far down. I think I've shown you guys this before, doing these 28Ks. Kind of nothing but an engine, frame, and 3 wheels at one point. The only thing that doesn't come off is the rear trunk assembly. It's a big service, but gets them all maintenance up per BRP's recommendations. Guess what this is right here? This is one of those R9T vintage with a yellow tank and the number on it. And the number looks like it's been kind of smeared. Give me a second, we'll get the top off of this thing. All right, here's the initial sneak peek with the bag of parts and stuff on it. You ready for this? Look at that. Look at the numbers. Look at the fancy, oh man, look at the fancy pegs and everything. Oh, sick. Look at that head. Wow. Doesn't have the cross spokes, but it's got the spoke wheels. Oh man. Got that. It's got the acro exhaust on it. Oh, that thing's so cool. Oh, look at that. That brushed aluminum. That thing is sick. Got the fancy levers. Oh, this thing is decked out. That is so cool. Is that not the coolest thing ever? Look at all the billet pegs. Oh, point the camera. Yeah. Billet V-belt cover. It's not a symbol, I just threw the seats on there to take a picture of it right quick. Oh man. Dang. I'm not gonna get nothing done today. Bruce is gonna be mad at me. No, I'm going along real well on the Spyder. I put it on the race stand. It's actually the service stand. Oh man. Everybody that's come down here and looked at it just, oh my God, that's so cool. This is what it takes to get to the spark plugs on this thing. So I thought I was being all crafty and was gonna get the baffles out without taking the trunk off. I gotta take it off anyway because I gotta drain the coolant, and it's too hard to get to the drain underneath there with the. And he's got one of the curb scoopers down there, so I definitely can't get to the, because you pull a hose off to drain it. You can't see it from here, but anyway, that's what you got to go through to get to the spark plugs. Crazy, huh? All that's back together. Put the fairing and stuff on, and I've got quite a bit more to do, but she's coming along real good though. See that box?
Yellow motor!
That was in there. Then it's metal. That's so cool. You guys remember where the HCM module, the hydraulic control module, was on the left side on the stator cover on the twins? It's now built inside because the clutch is no longer centrifugal. It's hydraulically controlled by the computer, which is the same size as an ECM. That's a transmission computer, denoted by the green. But anyway, remember there was a little filter also on the left-hand side on the twins you took off, that you pretty much changed every time you changed the oil. It's a hydraulic control module filter. This is the hydraulic control module filter for the 1330s. Everything's on the right-hand side. It's with the clutch, but it's a whole filter module. You just take the whole cover off and dump it. Toss her, put a new one on, and you only have to do it every 28,000 miles. It filters that well. But that's what a 1330 looks like on the right-hand side. You guys seen the cylinder heads? There's the top of them. That's where we were earlier doing the plugs. Cool stuff, huh? A lot of oil comes out of that thing. Good Lord. So I'm getting out of here 32 minutes late. Now I find out there's a huge crash on I-5, and looks like a minimum of an hour and a half drive home. So kind of thinking my ride might be out of the question tonight, but we'll see what works out here. Well, Mama?
Yes, I'll hop out.
You want to try to tackle whatever lies ahead of us with the wreck or whatever's going on?
Yep.
Look, there's some dark clouds floating around here. All right, let's roll out.
All right.
See what lies before us.
All right.
Alrighty. Well, good old Mother Nature then put the kibosh on my ride. Literally, the bridge out here is the water line. It's pretty crazy. I mean, literally, just south of the bridge, everything's dry. And then this is coming at us. So we're about to get another round of it here. All them UPS trucks out there. What is it with this thing? Well, Mama,
Yes, I'll hop.
I finally got the gas in the dang thing. That pump shut itself off about 4 times.
Oh, no.
I don't know. Every once in a while it does that. It loses its mind. Look, everybody always backs in here. This Peterbilt says, man, I'm just too tired. I'm just driving straight in.
I'll back out later.
Yeah, I'll deal with it later. That, and if he's sitting in a sleeper, he can look out at the mountain over there and enjoy some nature instead of staring at semi-trucks, right?
Yeah.
Well, I see why everything's wet here. This is what just passed through. That thing's all kinds of angry looking back there in the skies. Looks like we got a little sun kind of slipping through there in the background. That's kind of cool. Oh, look at that. That sun's hitting just that field out there. The old hee-haws out there grazing about. I love the sunny foregrounds with the dark background. Yep, there's your property down there, Mama. She'll go for sale one of these days.
Yeah.
Everything does. Well, hello there, YouTube. Man, how is it nice in Vancouver the whole day?
I know, and it's all wet here.
Yeah, I was just wearing my work shirt most of the day and didn't even wear a coat today. Just super nice, and I mean, there were some clouds around, but I mean, it never dripped a drop. Dry all the way home, beautiful skies. And come across that hill, start rolling down. I can see way down there. I can see the highways wet. You can see the dark skies. Well, dadgummit, get to Vancouver or Toledo, and
it went right back wet again.
yeah, it's all wet.
Well, at least
Crazy.
it's not floating.
Yeah, that's true. But I was thinking, it's kind of borderline too late to go for a ride. It'd be kind of a rush thing anyway.
Yeah.
We got out of there so late today. But anyway, had a good day today. Really cool seeing that, man, that R9T vintage. I need to figure out what the ME stands for. I'll look it up and see what it is.
It's really cool though.
Yeah, everybody come down there is like, what?
Yeah, I kind of need that.
Yeah. Oh man, that thing's cool.
That would be insane.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Jeez, that thing is just so good looking.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. And those R9T.
I really like it.
Yeah. And those R9Ts are like crazy fun. Just such a, it's like the Sportster of the BMWs, you know.
Yeah.
She's a little rough and raw, you know, she got some attitude. I love
really
those things.
Cool.
But yeah, I should be done with that Spyder hopefully sooner than later tomorrow. And I still got a bit to do. But anyway, get that done and try to get those, because there's another one. I wasn't sure if it was set up the same way. Maybe that's just the way that bike comes. But the other one, they got little access doors so we can look at them and make sure there's no damage to them when they come. And I can look around, I can see all the billet stuff in there. So it's a twin to that one.
Cool, then I can have that one.
Yeah.
Right?
But that thing's expensive though.
Oh, I bet it is.
Man.
Holy moly.
I was looking at the Urban GS either yesterday or no, it was yesterday, and I think it's 14 something is retail MSRP on it or whatever.
Really?
Yeah.
That is so cool though. That's way cool.
That thing is, you just have to, that's one of those you have to see in person to appreciate. It's
You're
like,
in the area.
what?
You gotta come see it. Cause
yeah.
It's like,
Come see them while they last.
I know it.
Yeah. Definitely come in and kick a tire or two and check them things out. Take one for a ride or something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Really cool. But sounds like she was very busy. I don't think, well, you came down looking for parts down in the .com area, so I did see her a couple of times today.
Yeah.
That's about it. Yeah. Actually, I stopped by your desk and said, when you get a free moment, come downstairs. I got something to show you. It was that R9T.
Yeah, so I was bringing Ryan something, and then I was dropping something off, and then I was going to grab something.
Yeah, I think you brought a Spyder tire down or something.
Oh, that's what it was, yeah.
But yeah, cool day. Lots of one. That's a very, very big focused job on that Spyder.
Yeah, that's a big
We'll get her
job.
finished off tomorrow. Far enough along, there's no question that this guy's from out of town. It needs to be done. They've got their own schedule they need to keep as well.
Yeah.
I don't want to send them home too late at night.
Yeah, because they live
a long ways to go.
away.
It's crazy. Cool people though. You know what? I forgot I had them M&Ms. I could have got a chocolate boost today. Plumb forgot about them.
Ryan already ate his.
Did he?
Yeah, because he goes, "Hey, Mom, got anything to eat?" So I gave him my oranges. And I go, "Did you already eat your M&Ms?" And he goes, "Oh, for heaven's sakes, Mom, I couldn't stop. I ate the whole bag."
Things are so bad. I'm the same way.
I go, "Just take a couple and then just put them away."
Yeah.
And he goes, "I can't do that."
Oh man, they're terrible. Things are just, they're like addictive. It's crazy.
Yeah.
So I stash them in my box, out of sight, out of mind. You open it, I'll think about them. I go, I'll have a little bit. The smartest thing to do is take one of them little coffee cups and pour a few in there, and that's it. Just stash them away. Put them in an inconvenient place. If I take one of them things home, I can't have them like at my desk where I edit, because I just sit there. It's just one. You don't even realize it. You're just like, the next one and the next one.
Yeah.
Man, Things are so good though.
They are.
Yeah.
I put a little handful in my pocket, and then I close up the bag and put the bag away, and then I just eat what's in my pocket.
That's what you got to do, man, because you'll just go buck wild on them.
Oh yeah. Plus, if I leave them out, everybody that walks by goes, "Ooh, Kelly, you care if I have one?" As they already have it. So it's like, no, you got to put it back.
Is it okay if I have some? Well, no, they're in your hands. I don't know where you've been.
I'd say yes to them anyway, but yeah, I think it's cute.
Well, Mama,
we better go.
Call it quits for the day.
Yep, got stuff to do.
Finish my work day, and now I start my second work day.
Yes.
All right.
All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. We really do appreciate it. We will talk to you tomorrow. Same smoke time, same smoke channel. Don't forget to give her a thumbs up. And I hope your Thursday or Friday are wonderful.
Yeah.
I had to think of what day of the week it was.
Heck yeah.
I lost track, guys.
Hey, dogs keep running around, so I keep looking out the window.
I know.
Abby and Madison are like doing laps
I see
around
a little black thing going around the edges.
When they go by, you see the little tip of their tail go by.
What is
That's
that?
how we don't run into them, because you can see the tip of their tail right at the edge of the hood. And then the alarms and everything go off, you know.
They're goofy mutts. Oh,
all right.
The chase is on.
Keep your fingers crossed that I get done early enough with the Spyder. I can get one of those BMWs.
Oh yeah.
I will definitely be taking you for a ride on one.
Oh, I definitely
look forward to
want
that.
throw a leg over one. I tell you.
Yeah, I don't remember if the regular R9Ts were that high. I didn't sit on that one. I had it up on the stand when she was there. It was too tall, but looking at you standing by it, looks like you could sit on it okay.
Yeah.
Oh, that thing's sick.
Just depends on how much my legs shrink up after I straddle.
Yeah.
You know.
That's a pretty skinny seat. You wouldn't go very far on that seat.
Gotcha.
But it'd be fun doing it.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, man, you'd be smiling the whole way.
Oh, yeah. Definitely.
Okay, guys and gals. We'll talk to you in the morning.
You guys have a good night.
Bye-bye now.
Bye.